Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Chris. Chris, can you hear comms?
What?
Can you hear the comms?
Yeah.
And say something.
I can't reach it.
Chris can't reach his button. That's why he can't talk. It's to the left of me more. You see his dead rag up. I hate this spot. Andrew's coming to get you.
Well, my time's ticking, so.
Yeah.
Damn. They're doing this fight.
What?
Get in that fight. Don't help Duran.
No. Chris, Duran's behind you.
I know, don't help him.
He's sneaking over to you. I don't have eyes on the guys in front of us. Andrew, are you gonna get Chris or no? Copy. Do you have eyes on him or no? Me either. I don't know what to do because of anytime I move, they shoot at my direction. So. What? That's Andrew. That's Andrew. Please. We could use another one of those smokes right about now. No, I got no eyes. What?
Joey, just suppress him. Just shoot willy-nilly. So, I can let you get up.
Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, Chris. I mean, honestly, at this point, like...
I'm gonna walk back.
Yeah?
Just calm if you need. Dead man! Dead man! It's okay. Don't get me shot.
Andrew, stay with me, but try to get a different angle where you could see them, because I can't move at all. What? I can't see you. Oh, I see you, I see you. I can't move without me getting shot. Can you try to move to get a different angle so you could see them? So then what do I do? I'm wide in the open, like you could see me from pretty much anywhere that's not right behind the fucking tree. So I just shot and they didn't shoot back, so I don't know if that means they're gone or not. Should I try to slowly make it back towards you, Andrew? Yeah, do that, but I have to try to get back, so can you try to cover me while I'm trying to move back, then we'll move to the left together. Okay, I'll try that right now. If I get shot, what do I do? The real question is, what are you going to do if I get shot? Fuck. Alright, maybe that means they're distracted, so I'll try to move back towards you right now. Yeah. Oh my. I'm fucking stuck in a thorn bush. I can't move. Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Ow! Fuck! Fuck.
Who's over there?
Chris? I hear people in front of us. You wanna move left?
Chris, we're right ahead of you.
Okay, Andrew. Let's try to just move back through this trail to the left. Now get down. I hate this. I hate this spot that we're in. Andrew.
Okay.
crawl through here, we can drop that. We can drop down back here. There's like a 3-foot drop. Yep, get down. Okay, now what?
Where's Chris? Chris, where are you?
He wants us to keep moving back. Should we? Should we? We're getting shot at. Getting shot at. Getting shot at. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Fuck. Is African safe?
You guys want to go to the castle?
I lost my water. No.
Come on, let's go to the castle.
Lost my water.
Your thing is coming down. Got it. Alright, let's leave. That way, let's try and go like... Where I change this.
Flip up through the woods here.
Yeah, let's go that way. I want to try and go by easy. We will try and get to the castle. That means we gotta clear some buildings, boys.
Pistol time.
Yeah. Okay, hold out as long as you can. We are going to try. We have to clear buildings. Okay?
Chris, you gotta start whispering, man. Can't be too loud.
If you're gonna hold it up to your mouth, it's so loud. Like, look. Because when I talk like this and I talk normally, it's up in my mouth. You know how
Chris,
loud
wait,
that
why are we going this way? Why are we just walking straight through the open field? I hate this.
was? I don't think oil depots friendly. Did everything? Did get all the pipes. I think she's shooting you on the mouth. For now.
I have a cramp.
Yeah, see that?
Your battery's dying.
So, I haven't really been shooting. Like that whole point where we got pinned down, the force no job. We gotta like run it. I don't think we have a lot of time left.
There's under 5 minutes.
Right up here.
What are we doing? Where's Castle?
All the way by the thing.
Oh,
We have to go through
oh, the
CCD.
castle in CQB.
Yeah.
That castle? They're there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, we are coming. We just gotta clear a few buildings. Are you guys still alive? Let's try and get all these guys and go. No! No, it's just back there.
I lost my water. I fucking fight. Fuck.
Go clear some buildings.
Alright.
You guys want to come and clear buildings with us? Okay. It's gonna be so fun.
Got a whole fucking squad now.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me.
So our boys are pinned down at the castle over there.
Oh yeah, we know.
They got the castle. Over comms, they just got the castle. Go, go, go. Just push. Oh. Yeah.
When we're on the hill to the left, I don't know if it's... Alright, I thought we just run.
It's friendly. Push up. Yo, everyone just run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. They got castle. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go.
Friendlies! Red!
Chris, look at me. Pistol only challenge, man. Guys,
I'm watching your front.
I'm watching woods.
I'm getting cut off. Keep moving.
Behind us in the forest, they said. Go, 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 go. Go, run, Chris, in here. Fuck. Andrew, come on. Oh.
where we got Santa Castle. Where's the castle? Where are they?
No, they're on top of the hill.
Yeah.
Up on the hill.
You guys fucking missed it, dude.
We were in here.
We were on the side for like half an hour. You're up on the hill. Sorry,
Yeah, we ran.
Wait, can we go up?
Yeah.
You guys on top of the person?
Yeah.
Is he over? Dude, we fucking wiped it.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's get on this roof. Spawn.
Is the game over? I think so. Everybody's walking down.
Andrew, game over?
Yeah.
Oh, what time is it? No,
Six.
Billy Shoot is up there.
Game's
Oh,
over.
game's over?
Hey, yo, let's take a picture on the roof.
Yeah, yeah.
Andrew, picture on the roof.
Here I come.
Think so.